look. Killing must feel good to God, too. He does it all the time. And are we not created in his image? God's terrific. He dropped the church roof on 34 of his worshippers last Wednesday night in Texas while they sang a hymn. He felt powerful. The Hindu god Shiva is simultaneous destroyer and creator. Who you were yesterday is laid waste to give rise to who you are today.
Is that why you're here? Tell me all this.
Maybe more.
What do you see?
God is beyond measure in wanton malice. And matchless in his irony.
What a pretty picture.